everyone, this is Kristen Zeit with Healthcare Design. I am here with Jeff Gravlin of Accurate Lock and Hardware. We're at the Healthcare Design Expo. Jeff, tell me a little bit about what you're showing us here at the show this week.
Thank you, Kristen. So, Ligature Resistance is a big deal for healthcare providers who are responsible for taking care of staff. So we invented a system that eliminates doors that can be swung, that can create harm to others. It also facilitates safer environments inside a patient room. So this system allows a sliding system that has no anchor points, and it creates complete safety for the patient as well as reducing risk for the staff.
Great, so how does that contribute then to the overall effectiveness of the built environment?
Healthcare providers are 100% responsible for people inside their facility. And so by reducing risk to the patient, you're also helping the staff take care of that patient. So sliding doors are eliminating sort of the risks for people to use them as an anchor point to harm themselves. Another one is that there's a resistance to restraining patients when they get out of control. So they're allowing patients to slam doors to sort of work through their issues. This particular system slides and has dampening impacts. In other words, it's not being slammed, it's not making noise, and yet the patient still is allowed to sort of move that door back and forth and work through some frustration, but it's not loud, it's not disruptive, and it prevents staff from having to ultimately sequester that patient. It's removing harm to the patient, it's helping the staff reduce risk so that they can focus on other aspects of care. It's Vandal Proof. If a patient tries to barricade themselves in the room, the door simply slides open. There's no swing issues.
Sounds like a lot of thought went into the creation of this product.
We as an organization spend a lot of time inside facilities, and so we see this firsthand, and we're sort of a unique company where everything we do is made 100% in our factory. So we're not sourcing anything from overseas. We have the ability to innovate, solve problems one facility at a time, and this is actually the result of solving a problem for a particular hospital that asked us to design this for them because of the barricade issues, because of the in-suite bathroom issues. We're able to respond and develop innovations almost on request.
Well, thank you, Jeff. For more information on this product or any other anti-ligature products along these lines, you can go to the company's website. Thank you.